So for part 2, just like I say, the graph. So now it's going to be very tricky, right? The original curve without the modulus is the orange color dotted one. So anything that, you see it coincides with the modulus graph, right? Okay, the one which coincides is a positive one. Then the one that is being flipped is a negative one. So you know that the one being flipped is actually this one here. One. Okay. The one that is not being the original curve is this one here. So I'm going to write this down. You have two equations, part 2. Now, same thing. This, they didn't ask for exact. I'm just solving for exact so that if exam asks for exact, you know what to do. Actually, don't really need to solve for exact here. You can just leave in 3SF, I think. So this is part 2. Y equals to x plus 1 or minus x. This will be y equals to x plus 1 minus x, or y equals to minus x plus 1 minus x. Okay. Obviously, so the negative one, the one being flipped up, it will be this one. The one that is being flipped up would take the negative, which is this one. So this equation here. Then the one that is not being flipped up will be the positive one. That is the easiest way to know. Okay, so you just look at this one. This is being flipped up. They're not flipped up. Okay. So solve for the inequality. Let's say this is let's label this as, say, this is P, Q. Okay, this is P and Q. So to solve for P, you take the actually P at PQR. There's another intersection point here, guys. So to solve for P and R, okay, you take the line equation here, or I should label the line equation. This is y equals to you take the line equation, intersect with the one that is being flipped up, which is this equation here. So this is there you go. Don't need exact value, but we just extra a bit. I just did some extra step to find exact value. This will be x. Okay. Minus 1 for x. So this will be negative root 3. This is root 3. Okay. Now when you pay attention, like I say, usually when it comes to solving, that's why I say it's elegant questions for A level. You realize that they don't beat around the bush. The equations given to you usually solve is very clean and lean one. It's not like in prelims you will like go around the whole town to get one exact value, right? It just doesn't happen so often in A level. It does happen, but you have to scale down what you see in prelim and what you see in A level. Okay, then of course, solving for Q, take note, Q here, you just take the green equation here, solve with the line equation. That's about it. So to solve for Q, we have x plus 1, which is the non-flipped up in the equation here. X plus 2 and this is am I doing it right? So minus 2xx bring over lah. Okay, in calculator, you can't. Okay, so we can find the exact. So this is minus 2 plus minus 4. 8. Root 8 is 2 root 2. Minus 1 plus root 2. Okay, so just look at the intersection point here. This is less than 1, bigger than 0. Less than 1, so reject. Between here, 0 and 1 here. So Q needs to be this one. This is minus 1 plus root 2. So there you go. Then what we need is solve that the modulus graph is below the line. So we solution set from graph. Solution is here, right? You want it to the modulus graph to be smaller. So the modulus graph is here, smaller is here and here. Anything below the line is here. So essentially what we need is from P to Q. It's actually from P to Q or X bigger than R. P is what? P is minus root 3. Q is okay. I do it.